Y'all come to work with me, okay? If I'm loud, I'm listening to music. Okay, guys. So that's why y'all don't see me, because I've been humping. That's why y'all ain't been seeing me. I've been humping and a bumping. That's what I've been doing. I've been getting the stuff off the walls, getting everything shrink wrapped. So it's been busy, and I'm a solo dolo person. So all of this stuff I do myself. My buddy, like an uncle, he been doing this construction stuff for a long time. So it's a lot of things that me and him work together with, and he kind of showed me how to do the repairs, the patches and stuff like that when we unmount the TVs and stuff like that. So that's what I've been doing behind the scenes. So that's why you guys are not seeing me. I am packing. So I got all the stuff kind of packed up over there. So that's why I'm not online, because I got so much work to do. I got a lot of work to do. So a lot of people ask, hey, where's your man? Why your man not helping you to do this type of stuff? To be honest, the guy that I like, that likes me, we don't live in the same state. We live in another state. So unfortunately, he can't be here. So I'm by myself doing it. I'm by myself doing it. Solo dolo. I have no help like that. So, but to be honest, I don't mind about doing this. Like, it's actually, remember, for the people that watch me, I like working with my hands. So I don't mind doing it. So the answer is, I'm by myself. So I do it myself. I have no partner to help. So everything that needs to be done, I have to do it myself. So that's why y'all haven't been seeing me. I've been behind the scenes working. So you guys have a blessed day. That's why I'm not online. Still got a lot of stuff to do. So I'm doing fine, but just doing packing and repairs. So you guys have a blessed Saturday. Thanks for tuning in. But I'm okay, y'all. I'm okay. All right, bye. Checking in again, guys. So as I listened to the video, as the video going, I was listening to some Teddy, and Gino want to get in the video. Gino, you say hi. Why you not helping me pack, huh? You not helping. So I was listening to Teddy, and it sounded like a little monster. Let me do what I want to do. Let me do. I was like, what the fuck is that? But I had on them earbuds, so I sound like a little monster whispering. It was me whispering in the video, because I was listening to Teddy Pendergraph in my ear, in the earbuds, and I was trying not to sing out loud, because you know how you be annoying and screaming, and I know I can't sing, so I didn't want to be doing that. So I was call myself as low pitched, didn't think that the camera would pick it up, but indeed the camera did pick it up. So, oh, and when I'm doing a spackle, I know somebody will be like, I know once it dries, I do have the buffer. So I just patch the holes, and then I take the buffer and go across the wall, because we want to make the wall back smooth after I remove the staples and the brackets, the ankle, whatever those is, the brace that holds the mirrors in place. So I do know that once it dries, I have to buff it. So that's why I'm saying, like an uncle, he kind of showed me how to do the repairs on the wall and stuff like that. And so I didn't mind doing that type of stuff. So yeah, so I know that I got to do that. So it's not a monster. That was me singing, but it was picking up like that. So yes, guys, so I don't mind doing the stuff. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty and work and do that. That doesn't bother me. So yes, I am doing that alone. I don't like being real personal, but I know a lot of people be like, how can you be a woman and you have a man and your man will let you work by yourself? So like, honestly, I don't have a man. So that's why my work is by myself. Like I said, the person that I liked don't live here. But you know, when you long distance relationship never really work out, and then the person that lives here is like, it's not going to work. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lot of deceptiveness going on. So it's like, I've been through that before. And like, when you've been through so much before, you kind of like, I don't want to go through this. But at the end of the day, for me, I wish everybody happiness, you know, and stuff like that. But that's why I was saying that young hearts run free. So it's like, a lot of times I think that we'll hang on to situations and it's not right. So it's like, I'm not afraid to be by myself. I'm not afraid to do all the work. I'm not afraid. And if it's meant to be with the right partner, it'll be. But a lot of times you have to work on yourself. That's why I said, like, God's, like a lot of times we might want a situation to really work out, and you pray and say, God, if this is not for me, remove it. And when you pray that prayer, I swear to God, them people will stop talking to you. Because once you put God on it, they can't even deceive you. They can't be deceptive because you ain't using no more your 2020. God got his eyes on them, and God will put that sense on them. Stop calling her, leave her alone. And even if they wanted to manipulate you, when you pray that prayer, when God know what they doing behind closed doors and they're not being honest with you, God will remove that person out of your life. So with my situation, I know that God had a part in it because I prayed, hey, is this situation for me? Is this what I'm supposed to do or whatever? And the person kind of vanished, and they had to because they wasn't right. They weren't pure, So it's like everybody deserves to be happy. So I wish happiness to everybody, to anybody, even the people that I probably in my circle that I had words with. I wish no bad on you. I wish you the best. I got a person that I don't talk to, and I guess they saw the video of me moving, and they was like, yeah, I saw your video, you moving or whatever, but I haven't heard from you. You ain't talked to me. And it's just whatever point we went off on each other, and this is a female I'm talking about, whatever point we went off on each other, she stayed on that same note and went again with the same stuff. And like I said, that's why I block you and I don't talk to you, because I'm not going to be arguing with somebody. If somebody, my friend, and I'm talking about a true friend, your friend should know you. Your friend should know your heart. But if I study, got to try to validate to you that I'm really your friend and I'm not out to hurt you and this, and I got to do that all the time, I don't have the energy to do that. So if you think I'm the worst freaking person on God's green planet, then you do yourself a favor and stay out of my life. I'm not going to be around somebody that I think is that is capable of doing anything to me. And this, don't talk on your channel about me. First off, don't nobody know who the fuck you is. Number two, people don't care. Some people bypass the video. A lot of them, if you listen, say, they be like, what she say? I don't even know what she's talking about. So it's not that people even care. I don't say your name. So like I said, how am I outing you? Nobody knows who you are. And my family and my friends, they don't know you. And then my family and friends don't watch my YouTube channel. Why would they watch my YouTube channel? They could call me in real life and talk to me. They don't want to see my channel. They ain't watching it. None of them is watching it. It's not that important to them. But you specifically, if I block you and block you from every which way, you would still find a way to watch me. So evidently you looking for something to be mad about. So I'm going to tell you this. I wish you the best. And I pray for everybody. But we like oil and water. We don't mix. So I don't want to be a headache in your life, and I don't want you to be a headache in mine. At my age, I want peace. You start having all them headaches, you're going to start getting wrinkles. You're going to be all wrinkled up. You'll see somebody look just woe out because they worried so much. My granddaddy say, skip it and forget it. What's the serenity prayer? God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. That's my prayer. God, please let me be at peace. I don't want to be going back and forth with nobody. I don't want to hold anger and resentment to nobody. So to anybody I've had problems with in this last situation, bless you. And I wish you happiness. I know you watching my channel too. I wish you happiness. I'm not mad, but it's just time for me to keep going. You will never find another love like the love that I gave to you. You will never find that. So you go ahead and do you and be happy. And right, Gino? Say be happy. And we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. We good. So y'all have a blessed Saturday. And thanks for the people that's watching. But people can't tell you what to vent about. If you're going through something, you can vent. But sweetie, nobody knows you. Nobody know who I'm talking about. To be honest, they really don't give a damn. And you the only one that cares because you watching my channel. If you don't care for me and I'm not your friend, do yourself the biggest favor on God's green planet. Don't ever watch my channel. But don't worry, I'll never be having this conversation to say because me and you don't talk, so you're not a part of my circle, my world. So this not even going to be a hot topic, okay? But that's what I'm doing, y'all. I'm working it. I don't mind about doing it myself. I see a lot of people like, why you don't get help? Why? And it's honestly, it's not like I can't get help. I got nephews, you know what I mean? I got a lot of family here that I can call, but I like to do this stuff myself. So It's not that I can't get the help. I don't like to put a burden on nobody. And it ain't that like people can't be paid to do it. They can. But I don't mind about doing a lot of the labor myself. So I'm going to do everything that I can do with my physical body and what I can carry and what I can't do. Yeah, I'm going to hire somebody. They're going to do the work. So yeah, what I can do, I'm going to do it. I don't need nobody to do that for me. I'm very sufficient in getting stuff done. So yeah, I take my little buggy, and I've been going to the dumpster 1,000 times. They be like, my neighbors are, aren't you exhausted? I'm like, yes. I be walking with that buggy to 9 o'clock at night. This is me, y'all, walking to the dumpster because I'm trying to get everything out of here. This be my neighbor said, you look so fatigued and tired. I said, I am, but in order to get it done, this is what I got to do. So thanks for listening, guys. Y'all have a blessed day. And thank you for all my wonderful people that's been rocking with me. But yes, no, if I needed help, I don't want to seem like I'm some damsel in distress. I don't want y'all feeling sorry for me like I'm some poor victim and can't get help. It ain't that. I got young nephews. And I got a son. You know what I'm saying? My son don't live here, but as they say, money talk, bullshit walk shit. My son never paid mother go over there and help my mama. So it's never that. A lot of stuff that I can try to do myself, I do it. And I got friends that love me. Like everybody, hey, they're like, you want me to order the thing for you and sit it right in front of the door where they come and bring that big green bag and you put all the garbage in there. Then they come back with the forklift and pick it up. I said, it ain't that serious. I ain't been getting my walks on the trails. I need to do this. So I've been doing it all myself, but I don't want y'all to think I don't have the help. I have a team, an army behind me, but I like to be self-sufficient. So please don't let me give y'all that like I'm just in here to, oh God, I ain't got no help. Nobody's here for me. That's a lie. That's a lie. God got it. I got plenty of people. So I got a whole army behind me, but I just chose to do it like this. Thanks, guys, for watching. Toodles.